Hello everyone, welcome to Praveen Tutorials. Today we'll have a look on certain problems based on this factor theorem. Okay, so here a problem on find the value of k so that x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus k exactly divisible by x minus 2. So this is a polynomial which says that this polynomial is exactly divisible by x minus 2. That means x minus 2 is a factor of this given polynomial. So take this polynomial as fx is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus k. Okay. So what is given here? This polynomial is exactly divisible by x minus 2. That means x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. That means f of 2 is equal to 0. F of 2 is equal to 0. That means if you substitute in place of x with the 2, that will be equal to 0. The polynomial, the value of the polynomial becomes 0. Because already said that x minus 2 is a factor. Okay, according to factor theorem. So what is the value of f of 2? Okay, 2 cube in place of x substitute 2 cube in minus 3 into 2 square plus 4 into 2 plus k is equal to 0. 2 cube is equal to 8 minus 2 square. 3 into 2 square is 4 plus 4 2s are 8 plus k is equal to 0. 8 minus 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 8 plus k is equal to 0. 8 minus 8 is 16. 16 minus 12 plus k is equal to 0. 16 minus 12 is 4. 4 plus k is equal to 0. K is equal to minus 4. So the value of k is minus 4. Okay. So this is one kind of problem. We'll look at another type of problems based on this factor theorem. Here, if x cube plus 2x square plus ax plus b has factors. That means this polynomial contains at most how many factors? 3 factors, because the degree of this polynomial is 3. So it contains at most 3 factors. But here 2 factors are given. Okay. What are the factors? X plus 1 is one of the factor and x minus 1 is one of the factor. Okay. Only 2 factors are given. Okay. Find a comma b. How to find k comma b? So as usual, fx is equal to, name the polynomial with fx is equal to, that means representing a polynomial with fx is equal to x cube plus 2x square plus ax plus b. So x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. That means f of minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, because x plus 1 is one of the factor. X minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. F of 1 is equal to 0. F of minus 1 is equal to 0, f of 1 is equal to 0. So what we can say? We can say that f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1. Both are equal to the same. Then these two are equal. Okay. So f of 1 is equal to 1 cube plus 2 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus b is equal to again 1 cube plus 2 into minus 1 whole square plus a into minus 1 plus b. 1 cube is 1 plus 2 cube is 1 square is 1. 1 into 2 is 2 plus a plus b is equal to minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 plus 1 square is 1. 1 into 2 is 2 minus a plus b minus a plus b. Okay. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus a plus b minus 1 minus a plus b. Okay. Here bring all this to this side and this one other side. A plus b plus a minus b is equal to 1 minus 3. 3 take it to the side becomes minus 1. Here a plus a is 2a minus b plus b gets cancels is equal to minus 2. A is equal to minus 2 by 2. So 1 times minus 1. So we got the value of a. Okay. Then how to find the value of b? Here how to find the value of b? A is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1. Already we got. Now we are supposed to find the value of b. So here we have to substitute in any of these two equations. That means already given that f of 1 is equal to 0. F of 1 is equal to 1 cube plus 2 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus b is equal to 0. F of 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Or f of minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So 1 cube is 1 plus 2 into 2 plus what is the value of a? Minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 plus b is equal to 0. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus into minus is minus. Minus 1 plus b is equal to 0. Okay. 2 plus b is equal to 0. So b is equal to minus 2. Once again see, a is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 into 1. Minus 1 into 1 is, so plus into minus is minus. Minus into plus is minus. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 minus 1 plus b is equal to 0. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 plus b is equal to 0. B is equal to minus 2. So like that we can find the value of a and b. Okay. Again, one more important sum based on this factor theorem. Here, show that x minus 2, x plus 3 and x minus 7 are the factors of the given polynomial x cube minus 6x square minus 13x plus 42. Okay. So show that x minus 2, x plus 3, x minus 7 are the factors of x cube minus 6x square minus 13x plus 42. This is what type of polynomial? Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial contains at most how many factors? 3 factors. Here 3 factors are there. So you have to check whether these 3 are the factors or not. Okay. So there are 2 methods. That means x is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to 7. That means we have to find whether f of 2 is equal to 0 or f of minus 3 is equal to 0 or f of 7 is equal to 0. Okay. This is one method. Okay. Another method is, I already told you, if x minus a, x minus b, x minus c are the factors. Okay. How to form a polynomial, that is x cube minus a plus b plus c of x square plus ab plus bc plus ca of x minus abc. Okay. This is another method. Okay. So in place of a, 2 is there. That means a is equal to 2. B is equal to actually here minus b is there. So what we have to write? This can be written as minus of minus 3. X minus of, that means b is equal to minus 3. Actually b is not 3. Minus of minus 3 is plus. So what about C? C is equal to 7. Substitute. X cube minus. That means by substituting the value of A, B, C, we should get this form. Okay, x cube minus A 2 plus of minus 3 plus 7 of x square plus AB 2 into minus 3 plus BC minus 3 into 7 plus CA 7 into 2 of x minus 2 into minus 3 into 7. Okay, that is equal to x cube minus 2 minus 3 plus 7 of x square plus minus 6 plus into minus minus 2 3s are 6. Here minus plus into minus 1 3 7s are 21 plus 7 2s are 14 of x minus minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6 6 7s are 42. So the last term 42 already we got. What about the remaining x cube minus plus into 2 minus 3 is minus 1 minus 1 plus 7 is equal to 6 6x square got x cube. Next, what about this one? Minus 6 minus 2 is minus 27 minus 27 plus 14 7 minus 3 4 is 3 1. So minus 13x plus 42. Okay, the same polynomial. So hence we show that these three are the factors of the given polynomial. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Keep subscribing to Praveen Tutorials. Thank you.